So I came in here incognito with my baseball hat on because I have been wanting to try this place. So if you are in Cobb County, this is a seafood place to try. It's called SGC Chicken and Seafood. So I'm gonna try this out. Let's see, I got a lobster roll, the salmon egg rolls, and an order of the honey lemon pepper shrimp. So we'll see how this goes. Yes, it's a big back order. Sue me later. Life is crazy. Get that food if you want it. All right, we made it to SGC Chicken and Seafood. It is in Powder Springs, Georgia, located in Cobb County. For all of you who have ever been to Metro Atlanta, this is a great spot to try. This is what the menu looks like. There's definitely a lot of different options: oysters, fries, catfish, which I am not a fan of catfish, so I decided to try 3 things off of the menu that I have been wanting to try ever since I discovered this place. So this is just some video of what the interior looks like. It's kind of small and quaint, but cute. So here is what I decided to get. Got these garlic salmon egg rolls. I would rate these a 9 out of 10, which you will see later on me actually trying them. The garlic lobster roll, and then the lemon pepper shrimp. Okay, so made it back home, and we are going to try this once and for all. So I got honey lemon pepper shrimp. This is what it looks like. All right, let's try. I don't taste the honey, but I taste that lemon pepper. Okay. Next is the lobster roll. This is what it looks like. Ooh la la. And although I hate eating on camera, we're gonna try it. Here we go. Okay. That is not as seasoned as the shrimp. Is the salmon egg rolls. This is what it looks like. Let's try. You ever eat food so good you start dancing? That's good. That is good. So if I had to rate them, 1, the egg roll, 2, the lemon pepper shrimp, 3, the lobster roll. So if you are in Cobb County or Metro Atlanta, I do suggest trying SGC Chicken and Seafood in Powder Springs. It's good. It is good. And tell them Risa sent you. See y'all next time.